Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to see about the installation of Anaconda Navigator and also the installation of VS Code. Okay, so this course or maybe this series is getting continued of developing of the generative AI and agentic AI developments. Okay, so now we are going to see about how we can able to install the Anaconda Navigator and the VS Code. Basically guys, why we are installing this Anaconda Navigator and VS Code? So the Anaconda Navigator is already get installed in my machine. Okay, so the Anaconda Navigator is a kind of a tool that get installed in your machine which contain all the packages. Okay, so it's a kind of like it has the environment and also the learning part and also the community. Okay, so in the environment you can see the anacondas the descriptions and what is its versions. Okay, and if you go for the home, you can see all the tools which come as a package. Okay, so this is called as an Anaconda Navigator. So VS Code is nothing but everything is a kind of an IDE, right? So VS Code is a kind of like so VS Code is kind of like the integrated development environment. Okay, so and also you need to install this in this VS Code also, because once you're getting developed your project, you need to have this kind of process. Okay, so let's go to the videos and how we can see how we can able to install this tools. Okay, so in Anaconda Navigator, once you go the Google browser, if you open the Google browser and you have typed anaconda Google browser, okay, so it will automatically pick up it will take you to this page. Okay, and you need to give your mail ID, maybe your Google Mail, anything. And once you done your Google mail ID, click submit. Okay, so once click submitted, go down a little bit and go for download Miniconda installer. Okay, so here you can see the download Anaconda distribution and Miniconda by choosing the proper installer by the machine. Okay, so go down and you can see the distribution installer. Click download. Okay, so I will make fast because I have already installed this machine. So once it get installed guys, just click next and it will take you to the final stage and click finish. Okay, then the Anaconda Navigator is getting installed. Okay, so then we go for the VS Code. Okay, so we go to the VS Code. So VS Code, once you go for the VS Code, just search it in search engine, Google search engine, just type as a VS Code. Okay, it will take you to this page and click this icon. Okay, and go for the download page, and you can see the different kind of like a download options here. One for Windows and one for Mac and other for others options. Okay, if your my machine is a particular is Windows, so I install the Windows. Okay, so here I have installed the Windows, means I have the VS Code too. You can see my VS Code. Okay, so yeah guys, so today class is it's kind of like completed. Okay, so it's a kind of like install. In today's class we are seeing only for the installation process. In next class we see about how we can take it forward for the virtual environment creation, all these things. Okay, thank you guys.